Hi guys, today I say about GetonAgain flatbed pattern cutter machine. You also see this machine here, head area and bed area. You see two cutters and one knife. This is flatbed and pattern. Before time we start, back on continue. This is interface area. You can control your machine off on. This is machine nameplate. This is machine driver, power supply, motherboard and ticket board area. This one is X driver, ticket board. This is Y driver. It is operating is very nice and the service system is very nice. There power supply contact and this one PC monitor controlling software here. Operating is very easy. Now printing is running. First time print run and after print finish, then cutting start. This is very efficiencyful machine. Very smoothly and very clearly cutting. GetonAgain machine is very important for lingerie product. You can use others product, but lingerie product pattern is small. GetonAgain printer and pattern cutter is very smoothly work for a small pattern, so that you can purchase GetonAgain flatbed printer and pattern cutter. This one cutting complete pattern, you can buy that. Is very important and good machine. You can purchase from GetonAgain website. Thank you so much.